Hello everybody, welcome back to Expedition Homestead. Today's episode is going to be a quick tip that you guys can use if you have fish tanks or aquariums in your homes. Generally, people do a water change to their aquariums maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, unless you have a planted aquarium. But something you might not know is that aquarium water is an extremely viable fertilizer for plants that could use a little bit of a boost of nitrogen. The nitrogen is going to be in the form of ammonia and nitrates in the aquarium water from the leftover fish food and the fish poo that basically gets extracted when we do a water change. So you could really use this stuff in your garden to your advantage. It's free and we're not wasting it, and it's gonna give your plants a great boost of energy when applied in the garden. We have our first few gallons from the water change that we made today. The water was starting to get a little bit dirty, so we went ahead and changed it. Right here we've got about 5 gallons, and then we have another 5 gallons inside that we're going to be dumping on the garden today. In your garden, this is a list of some of the plants that could use a little bit of extra nitrogen. It's going to be peppers, pole beans, tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, okra, and then leafy greens as well. If you add this water to those vegetables in your garden, you're going to give them a helping hand. Today specifically, we're going to be giving them to our tomatoes and our pole beans back over on this side of the garden beds. This water can be added directly. It does not have to be diluted whatsoever. Just go ahead and distribute it out throughout the plants that you want to fertilize with it. So don't dump the whole thing on a couple of plants. Make sure you spread it out evenly and make the most of what you got. But with about 5 gallons, what I'll do is I'll use 5 gallons per bed. So I'll use 5 gallons on these 7 tomato plants, and then I'll use 5 gallons on all of our bush and pole beans over here. Oh yeah, you know what? I also forgot to mention that sweet corn, it's also great to add this to if you've got sweet corn growing.
Look at my corn.
Okay, do you want to get the camera right there? Over there. Wow, it's getting so big.
My corn is.
There's the camera. It's already recording, okay? So you can pick it up.
Oh, record.
Okay, good. So make sure you get me in it, okay? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, follow me. Get a little bit. All right. So another little snafu during this video. I just realized that the outro clip didn't record, so here we are on a different day, same garden, doing the outro to this video. So I just really hope you guys employ this awesome little method of bringing some extra nutrients to your plants. As I listed off in the video, there's all kinds of different plants that really could use this nitrogen boost in the form of nitrates and ammonia in your fish water. Another really cool thing about it is the fact that fish water is now not just going to waste. We're actually utilizing it to grow our food in our backyard, which is what we are all about on our little homestead. Well, I want to wish you all a happy gardening adventure. If you've not yet subscribed, please consider doing so if you've enjoyed today's video. We've got a ton of content coming out for you guys year round here in Wisconsin. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next episode.